Alright, David Harry here, and I'm going to try and do a few videos which are a bit quicker than my usual ones. So what I'm going to do is just show you some stuff to do with the GoPros, in this instance an alternative for mounting the microphone adapter. Now this works for the GoPro Hero 5 Black, 6 Black and 7 Black. Doesn't work with the 8 because it doesn't come with a skeletal case. So this is quite specifically to use with the skeletal case that comes with the 5, 6 and 7 Blacks. Now, usually you might want to use one of these, which is the Ulanzi V2 case or the V2 vlogging case, which I think is fantastic. What you do, it just holds in the adapter at the bottom, then allows you to mount stuff on the top. But I actually much prefer this other one, and I'll show you now why. Because what happens is, this kind of thing here, and I can only call it a thing because when you look at it, it just looks mad. Right, so this thing just bolts onto the top of the skeletal case and then extends the camera a bit as well, so I'll get to that in a second. So what happens is, you can mount this on whether the case is closed or open. So I'm just going to open the latch. It might just make it a little easier for us to see stuff. So what happens is, this thing here literally just kind of slides over the top latch there. So let me see if I can try and show you the underside here. Now what you might be able to see here, that's kind of hooked and grooved across the top there and hooked and grooved down there. So what that's designed to do is to just slide over the catch. Let me see if I can show you this. So if I turn it upside down as it goes on, hopefully we might be able to get an idea there what's going on. Hold on. Yeah, so that literally just slides over and grips itself to the catch like that. So that, to all intents and purposes, becomes part of the catch. So then what you do, you just get your GoPro, so pop your GoPro in like that, close it over, and then just lock it up as you normally would. So there we go. So the catch is just firmly on the top now like that. And then all you do, you just put the mic adapter through. Let me just see if I can get this done. I want to try and do this in one take, so it's a bit awkward, I think, doing these things sometimes. So literally just put the mic adapter through, slide it through like that so it's all nice and firm in there, and then attach the mic adapter to the USB, and there you go. So it's all nicely mounted on the top. Now what I'm going to do is just throw a mic on just to show you the reason why I kind of prefer this one over the Ulanzi. So let me just put a microphone on there. Now if you've got a microphone on any of these types of things like the Ulanzi or this thing for instance, and it's just kind of, it's naked as it were, so it doesn't have any filtering or kind of dead cats or anything on, that mic is not getting anywhere near the field of view for your GoPro. But sometimes once you put a dead cat on, the dead cat starts popping into the field of view because it's too low down on top of the GoPro. But as we can see there, the extra bit of lift that we get from that adapter takes the microphone higher. So if I have a quick look at that, as we can see, although the Ulanzi is cool and whatnot, this adapter gives you more height again. So it lifts the microphone further out of the field of view. Okay, so like I say, keep these things just quick and simple, and I think that one there speaks for itself. Now if you're after one of these, there's going to be links in the descriptions below and whatnot, and if you're interested in having a look at some more of the stuff that I'm doing with my GoPro things and whatnot, if you go and visit www.gopro9.com, and all my videos will be there. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, click on the bell notification icon thing and all that weird stuff people ask you to do at the end of YouTube videos. Anyways, I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.